Unboxing fizzy lemon chopper.
Hi Hamish. No, it's went off. What's this you've bought, Hamish?
I'm not telling you.
Right. Well, it's no my teeth, that's for sure.
Don't know what that is. Oh, he's built it up.
Was that a good thing or a bad thing?
Well, wait a minute.
Oh shit. Oh, hang on.
It's alright, it's alright. This is what I wanted. This is what I want.
Just let that go.
That don't want.
Just let it go.
I think that's handlebars. Right, okay.
Oh my god.
Stop. This is a slashing a classic piece of vintage equipment here video. It says fragile, so I'm letting Karen near it. Aye, I knew that would rack. He's fitted the rack on it. He's took the saddle off it, so all I need to do is transfer the saddle from a purple one onto it.
Right. Well wrapped, isn't it?
That's not the way it came, because when I built mine, it was all tie wrapped.
Uh-huh.
Oh, he's even left the handlebars there.
Uh-huh.
You can slash that with the. You alright?
I'm alright.
Because I'll need to take the handlebars off the other one
Uh-huh.
in order to get it in the box of that.
Yeah.
Because I want the other one in a box.
Yeah.
However, it might go in the loft built like that easier. Because it'll need to go in the loft until the summertime, because I'm not selling it.
How do I get all the
I'll only be taped internally.
split round the deal?
Right, don't worry, I'll get a go at this. So, I'm doing a changeover of the parts for the purple one, going on to the new fizzy lemon. So one of the things I need to change over is this knobbly tyre, and that is something I've always had to wrestle with. So that's going to be fun. Maybe I have to get Karen to help me with that. Rubbing this one. Or the chain guard bolt, because it seems to be missing. And the pedal. And that's it. I'll have spares for the two of them. I'll put this one up in the loft tomorrow. Job's nearly finished. It's been a couple of hours to do all that. Final stages of building this up. I just noticed there's a blue tack in place. Final stages of building this up. I just noticed how difficult this is going to be to put that nut in there. without it falling out. So what I'm thinking about doing is put a bit of white tack in there. That's it all built up. This is the final stage now. Blowing up the tyres, and that's it ready. And I'm going to get a wee run round the block in it. Fizzy Lemon, Mark 4, children who need special. It's about 65 or something. This is it out in the wilds. This is the new Fizzy Lemon. I can't tell you if the speedo's working yet. I'll deal with that tomorrow. I'll run that down the hill and back up again. Anyway, happy bunny. This is it out in the wilds. This is the new Fizzy Lemon. I can't tell you if the speedo's working yet. I'll deal with that tomorrow. I'll run that down the hill and back up again. Anyway, happy bunny. Yeah. It's alright, I'll get them.
Okay.
Did you get the trolley?
Yep.
Oh. See? You've got a classic kill stop. You can get snow tyres. Unboxing Fizzy Lemon chopper.